In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. Effectively, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you're making the most out of your HubSpot trial experience. Let's dive in and get started. First, navigate to the trial guide page specific to the Sales Hub Professional on HubSpot. This page is your starting point, and it lays out all the tools and features you'll be working with during your trial. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where everything is will help make the process more seamless as you proceed through the steps. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. What we're doing here is accessing the back-end options that will allow you to customize and fine-tune the features to your specific needs. The settings section is essentially the control hub for your HubSpot experience, where you can adjust preferences that dictate how everything else will flow. Now, after clicking on Settings, look for the Content option and click on it. This section is crucial as it will give you access to all the content tools available, enabling you to manage your digital assets efficiently. Here, you can construct and organize your content precisely how you envision it to support your sales strategy. It's all about leveraging the right content at the right time. Following that, find and click on Domains and URLs. This part of the process is where the foundational elements of your digital presence come into play. Here, you'll manage the web domains tied to your HubSpot account, which is pivotal for tracking and analyzing web traffic, ensuring that your sales processes are running smoothly and effectively. Finally, you'll want to click on Connect a Domain. This step is essential if you intend to integrate your existing website or create new landing pages using HubSpot's robust tools. By connecting a domain, you unlock the ability to fully utilize HubSpot's analytics tools and ensure your digital presence is cohesive and comprehensive. And there you have it. Each step builds on the previous one, forming a clear and strategic path to optimizing your HubSpot trial experience. Remember, the key to mastering HubSpot, especially in a trial period, is to explore all the available functionalities and configure them to align with your business goals. Thanks for watching. And I hope this guide has illuminated the process for you, helping you harness HubSpot's powerful tools to their fullest potential. Be sure to experiment with these settings and see how they enhance your sales processes. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Until next time, happy exploring.